ESPN 8 The Ocho. I'm Bob. He's Pedro. Today we're going to be discussing the physics behind track and field.
Yes, Bob, we are. We're going to go to Cleveland on the field with Jason, and he's going to discuss the physics behind track.
Hi, Cleveland here. I'm with Whiteland track star Jason Murillo, who's going to go through starting blocks, and I'm going to explain the physics behind it, okay? So as you can see, Jason gets down lower to the ground to where he wants to keep his center of gravity closer to the blocks where he's starting. The blocks are approximately at a 45-degree angle to where he can propel himself easier forward while exerting force at the same time. And as he's going to go through this, see, right there, this is representing Newton's third law of motion, where every force has an equal and opposite force. So the force in which he puts off the starting block is how far his front leg moves forward. And that is how sprint stars. Back to you, Bob!
Thanks, Cleveland. Now that the physics behind the start is out of the way, let's go to Pedro at the throwing ring to discuss the physics behind the rotational throw. Somebody forgot their green card.
Oh, hey Bob, thanks. I'm here with Big Dusty, and he's going to show us some physics behind throwing. So here we go. All right, so first, he gets ready, puts it down, he spins to build momentum. And you see he just did a little spin there, to build up momentum. And he twists, he does this twist in his hips to, increase the torque to send it far, So here we go. Oh, wow. And then he does the force applied at the end to send it far. So that's all I have here. I think we're going to have a word from our sponsors real quick. So we'll see that and we'll get back to ESPN Ocho.
Bob and Pedro back again. That was a great throw, wasn't it?
Sure was, Bob.
Now we're going to go back to Cleveland to the distance runner and the physics behind the distance run.
Hey guys, sorry about that. Pedro had to take over. I had to go number 2. I'm over here with Whiteland distance runner Gerard, and he's going to go through some of the steps of distance running and the physics behind it. Okay? So back to what we were talking about in sprinting. When you start, you want to lean your center of gravity forward, but in distance running it's not as crucial because you don't need as much force on your takeoff. So as you see, center of gravity's forward, leaning forward, that way he can lean forward. Okay, go ahead. As he takes off. As you can see, his center of gravity is lean forward, which gives him more momentum. And going back to Newton's first law of motion, every object stays in motion until acted upon by an outside force, whereas the track is acting as friction and pushing back on his foot every time he takes the step. Back to you, Bob.
That's all we have for this episode of ESPN 8 The Ocho.
What was that, Dalton?
Now as he spins, the body begins to produce more and more momentum. Are you recording this?
Yes.
Thanks, Cleveland. Now that the start is out of the way, let's go to crap.
No, it's just a joke. It's not supposed to be funny.
Okay, what else is left? Okay, so from that point,
Dude, we can do a whole commercial afterward of just bloopers.
Okay.
Okay, so after.
Hello, guys, we're back. Just do something like that, you know. How are we gonna? What's the physics behind the distance run? Are you serious? Place I don't want to know.
Not anymore.
Well, do it one more time.
Lick your lips.
I just
Snap into the distance.
I just want to get it on camera. I want to see like the angle. Okay, go.
And now conclude our episode today for ESPN. The Ocho.
Here. Because, like, you're straight in the light.
Jason, do that again.
Hola, niños, soy Pedro.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Hey, guys, sorry about
Wait,
that.
wasn't ready yet.
Here we go.
Hey, the lights are on now. This would have been cool.
We can do Jared's butt for a whole commercial.
Is this class about to end? Yeah.
Baby lock them doors. Baby lock them doors and turn the lights down low. Put some music on it soft and slow.
Baby, we ain't got no place.